We look at the problem equals 1 plus cosecant all times sine. We do this to see our starting math sentence. This is the equation we need to solve. We choose between two ways to solve this. We do this to find the easiest path to the answer. One way is the product rule and the other way is to simplify first. We change cosecant into 1 divided by sine. We do this to make the math easier to work with. This is rule for how these two parts relate. We put 1 divided by sine into the original problem where cosecant was. We do this to use our new math rule. We replace the old part with the new part. We prepare to use the distributive property. We do this to get ready to multiply the parts. This rule says we can multiply term by each part inside the parentheses. We multiply sine by 1 and then multiply sine by 1 divided by sine. We do this to remove the parentheses. The distributive property lets us multiply through the group. We see that sine divided by sine is equal to 1. We do this to make the expression smaller. Any number divided by itself is 1. We write the new version as sine plus 1. We do this to have simple equation. This comes from our previous steps of multiplying and dividing. We find the derivative of sine plus 1. We do this to see how the function changes. Finding the derivative is the goal of this problem. We use rules for finding derivatives. We do this to know how to change each part. The derivative of sine is cosine and the derivative of number is 0. We write cosine plus 0. We do this to follow our derivative rules. We replace the parts with their new values. We write the final answer as dy divided by dt equals cosine. We do this to show the finished result. Adding 0 does not change the value of cosine.